To write a resume, you're gonna need a computer. It's possible to make a resume on your phone, but we really don't recommend it. Some things are just too important to be typed with your thumbs.
Now I kinda wanna know how you'd make a resume on your phone. Bro lives in 2006. Resume on phone when?
You wanna make a resume on your phone? Fine, let's do this. Here's what you need to do. First, go to your search bar and type in resumegenius.com. This is our AI-powered resume builder, and it's gonna walk you through the steps of writing a resume and do most of the work for you. Tap on Build My Resume Now. Click on Create a Resume and answer the questions about your education and experience. It's gonna ask you to choose a template, but just click on Choose Later to skip that. You'll see why in a sec. Fill in your contact information and your desired job title. And you can even add your LinkedIn account, and you should have a LinkedIn account. Now it's gonna ask you to make an account to save your progress. This is free and quick, and you can always delete your account later. Now, add your work history information like company name, location, and dates of employment. The builder automatically creates bullet points based on this information. Add the ones you like and edit them so they're true and apply for you. Do this for each job you want to include on your resume. Next, add your education and then certifications if you have any. Now for skills. The builder recommends skills based on your work history, so choose the ones that apply to you. Now the builder will generate a resume summary based on your work experience. You can regenerate it as many times as you want and edit it until it's just right. Finally, you can add languages and other things in additional sections. Click Download Resume, and when it says Choose Format, click Text if you want to download it for free. You can download it as a Word document or a PDF now, but you'll have to pay. Here are the payment options. So now you've downloaded your resume as a text file. Next, make sure you have Microsoft Word or Google Docs downloaded on your phone. If you don't already, grab one of them from the App Store or Google Play Store. We need this to edit our resume template that we're going to download next. Now, go back to Resume Genius, click on the 3-line icon in the upper right-hand corner and tap Resumes, then Free Resume Templates. Browse the templates until you find one you like and click the download button. Then click on Download Word. At the pop-up, just click on No thanks, I only want to download this template and X out of the next one. Now, go to your downloads and open the zip file you just downloaded. All of the color variations are in here, along with the fonts you'll need. Choose the color you want and it'll open in your Word app or in Google Docs. Go back to your downloads and open the text file with your resume content in it. We need to copy and paste each section manually. It would be much easier on a computer, but this is what you asked for. One page is best for most resumes. These templates come with an extra page of instructions, so we need to delete that now. Once your resume is ready, save it as a PDF. This will make sure it looks exactly the same on any screen and when you print it out. Finally, open your PDF and make sure everything looks good. Clean layout, no weird spacing, and you're done. And that's how you can make a professional resume right from your phone in just a few minutes. If this helped you out, check out our other videos for more resume tips and interview advice. Thanks for watching and best of luck from the Resume Genius team.